Hey y'all, what's cooking? My name is Chef Fred and welcome to our kitchen where I give you the best tips and skills for everyday cooking.
In today's video, we're going to make a quick banana nut bread. Okay, so we need 1.5 cups of bananas mashed, which is about 3 bananas, but I have a few extra here so it has a good banana flavor. Now here's a pro tip. If you have bananas that are starting to go brown and you're not ready to make banana bread, just take them, peel them, put them in a baggie and toss them in the freezer, and then when you get ready to make your banana bread, you just take them out and let them thaw, and you're ready to go, and that way you don't waste any bananas. Now we're going to add all of our wet ingredients to our bananas. So we're going to start off with our eggs. And I always like to crack my eggs in a separate bowl, so if I get a shell in them, I can get that out without having to dig in the big bowl of all the ingredients. So we give those a little whisk before we put them in with the bananas. And in with the bananas they go. And 1/2 cup of butter, which is 1 stick of butter, it's melted and then cooled. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And then we mix. And once that's all mixed well, we're going to set it aside. So in my mixing bowl, I have 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. To that, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And now we're going to mix all of that in very well. Now once that's all mixed well, we're going to add 1 cup of chopped pecans. How do you say it? Do you say pecans or pecans? Once we got the pecans mixed very well, then we're going to add our wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Now we're going to put them in our loaf pans. I'm going to make 2 small loaf pans. And what I like to do is just use the scale so I can divide it up and it is evenly in the 2 pans. And this will help the bacon because you don't want to have in the oven bacon, one a smaller amount, one a larger amount, and then one's going to burn before the other gets done. So I like to just weigh them out, and that way I've got the exact same amount in both pans so they cook properly. And then we're going to bake these in a 350-degree oven for 60 to 70 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean in the center. Perfect for breakfast or dessert, this classic banana bread is perfectly sweet and moist and full of flavor.
Please share, like, and comment on this video. I read all the comments and try to respond to as many as I can. Until next time, cook something great, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.